Hi, my name's Hannah and I'm a computer science major at the University of Michigan. In this lesson, I will be showing you how to program an Arduino through Tinkercad. So first, I want you to open Tinkercad. The homepage will look like this once you click on Circuits, which is on the left-hand side. Once you click on Circuits, I want you to click on the green button that says Create New Circuit. Once you're on this page, you can access a lot of controls, such as the trash to delete your work and the undo button to go back. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a name. For this project, I'm going to just use the name example. Then I'm going to click on components and then Arduino. And then I'm going to drag out breadboard. Perfect. So once I'm here, I'm going to take the red wires and delete them. The wires are color-coded, and the red wires give electricity, and the black wires are the ones connected to the cathode, which are grounded. Then click up here to Basic and drag out an LED and a resistor. And then go down here to pin number 12 and drag that to underneath the resistor. A resistor is used to block some of the flow of electricity, so objects like the LED light are not getting too much electricity. So once I drag that underneath here, I'm going to color it red because it's giving electricity. Then I'm going to drag a wire from the cathode to the bottom of breadboard and make it black. So in order for the light to light up, we have to code. How fun! So to do that, I'm going to click on this code button, and you can see that it is black code. Black code is different from text code because it's easier to use and it doesn't have as much syntax. For this project, we're going to use the text. So click on blocks and click on text, and continue. So they have a bunch of pre-written code, but we're going to delete that and start from scratch. So the first thing that we have to do is initialize our variables. I'm going to initialize the pin at number 12 because that's what we pressed. So I'm going to write const int red pin equals 12. At every statement, I'm adding a semicolon, which is similar to C++, which tells the compiler that you're done with your statement. Also, adding const will not allow us to change the value of the variable throughout the rest of the program because it's always going to be equal to 12. Also, we made it an int because 12 is an integer, so it has to be the same type. Whatever we're passing in has to be the same type as what we declared the variable as. So the Arduino has some pre-existing functions that everyone can use. One of those functions is pin mode, so I'm going to write that up here. And I'm going to pass in red pin and output. Make sure it's in all caps. And then down here, I'm going to use another pre-written function, which is digital write. And I'm going to pass in red pin and high. Make sure high is in all caps too. And then I'm going to write delay 1000. Each second that you want the light to light up is 1000. So in this example, it will light up for 1 second. Then, now to turn the light off, we can add digital write again, pass in red pin, and low. And then also we need another delay 1000. So in these lines of code, we're calling pre-existing functions and we're telling it what it wants it to do, which is turn on this variable, which is the LED light, and then turn it off, and delays tell us for how long. Now we can run it. So click on start simulation, and you'll see how the light turns on and off. Perfect.